Good morning students. If you have not used the 183 important works list that is available free of cost on Limitless Literature website, then please check out on the website. Go into the subject wise topics, simply click on the right hand sidebar and you are going to find the complete list of 187 important works. Make sure that in these 30 days you complete all these 187 works. Some of the works you have to do in detail. For example, Jane Eyre Waiting for Godot. We have already discussed in a lot of videos what all are the important topics that you have to go in detail. For the remaining works, you have to go through all the poems, drama and novel we have discussed over in 187 works. And after that, what you have to do is you have to go to the Limitless Literature mobile application. We have created the free mock test for you. In the left hand sidebar, go on to the free study material section, and here you are going to find all the important works for free of cost and the mock test for free of cost. For example, if you complete Frankenstein as a summary, then you can go through the questions on Frankenstein in that free mock test session. Okay, we have uploaded 50 mock tests. Now today we are going to upload the remaining 30 or 40 mock tests for you for free of cost. Okay, please download Limitless Literature mobile application, and just in case you want to make sure that your preparation just go wild, you can join 300 plus premium mock test series available, but you have to pay a bit of price for that. We are also running some discount coupons on that, but still, if you just go with the free mock test and just practice, attempt, reattempt the free mock test on 187 important works that we are going to update today or tomorrow, that's gonna also help you for sure. Okay, so I will see you soon in the next video. That's it for this. Thank you.